Lovehicle, a comprehensive platform providing high-quality car services. Since our establishment in 1992, we have always adhered to the philosophy of customer-first, sincere service. We provide customers with comprehensive services, from selecting and purchasing cars to maintenance and repairs. In 2024, Lovehicle's operating revenue was 7.2 billion yuan, with 28,800 new cars sold and 3,280 vehicles exported. We have extensive experience and can help you select high-quality vehicles. We strive for the best prices, helping you purchase a car with ease. Lovehicle brings together a wide range of vehicles from over 200 well-known brands. It covers a full range of models, including off-road vehicles, business cars, SUVs, and more. From entry-level to luxury models, we have everything, and we offer customized services. We match the needs of different customer groups to create a personalized dream car for each customer. Lovehicle currently has over 1,000 employees, with a multilingual team that includes Spanish, Russian, and other less commonly spoken languages. All vehicle data is uploaded to the platform in real time, with vehicle prices accurately assessed based on market trends and the actual condition of the vehicles, ensuring clear and transparent information. Our staff is always online, providing one-stop service from the moment a customer reaches out to us, guiding them from precise vehicle selection to efficient purchase. After the customer places an order, we assign dedicated personnel to track the logistics process, ensuring timely vehicle delivery. The transaction is just the beginning of the service. Service is the ultimate goal. Listening to every need, fulfilling every wish. Always customer-centered, thinking what customers think and meeting their needs is Lovehicle's most important business philosophy. Chinese vehicles, global reach. Come to Lovehicle, discover your perfect ride.